Prabhas, the darling of Tollywood, is making first screen appearance with Bahubali after 2 long years. The star, who was last seen in Mirchi, worked very hard on his image and looks for this movie. On the other hand, Rana will be playing the role of Ballal Deva in this movie. This tall, handsome Tollywood hunk will be seen in the role of an antagonist. The movie has already created much required hype with the trailer and now drawing huge crowd for today's audio launch. Let's wait for the arrival of Bahubali on silver screen on July 10th.